Hey, today's video, I'm gonna share with you my review about this Facebook ad targeting hack created by Godson Okorodudu. So first and foremost, let me tell you what the majority does when it comes to Facebook ads. They would go, run, whenever they on there are on the ad set, they would pick up the interest that Facebook gives you, because like normally Facebook would give the maximum of 20 or 25 interest. Otherwise, the list is going to be extremely long. So you would normally pick up from whatever alternative that they gave you, which normally millions and millions of people would pick up, and which is going to be extremely competitive and pricey for you. So going a step further, what I learned over time is that you get to audience insight. And for example, let's say you type the country, let's say United Kingdom. Okay. Okay. So, all right. So let's put United Kingdom, and then you put here, let's say cats. Okay. No, let's say cat food. Let's say cat food, just to give you a real example. So what normally you're going to see here is that if you're promoting your product in the UK, right, it's going to be 78% women and 22% men. So generally you would go on Facebook ads and just promote this product to mainly women, because they're mostly, they're the majority looking or interested in whatever in the cat food product. So what you do, you get to page likes, and that's what I learned over time. So you go to page likes, and because again, you need to uncover some hidden interest that Facebook doesn't give you. So you could go, most will tell you to go with this one, that one, that one, that one. And even better yet, you go to page likes, because again, you cannot target groups, but you can target pages sometimes. What you do, you go to affinity. Okay, as you can see, the affinity is 425x, which is extremely great. Okay, but and again, you can go on and on. So instead of going and just targeting cats food, you're gonna go and just target those interests or keywords which are not targeted by many people. So, but the downside of this method is that it takes a lot of time, and whenever you get to Facebook ads and you want to type those keywords, generally most of them, they're non-targetable. In other words, if you just pick up those keywords and you put them on Facebook, if you put them on the interest, you're not gonna find them. Let's say pets at home. Okay, you can find it here, but let's say cats like Felix. Okay, cats like Felix. You can find it. That's great. Let's pick up this one. Spana Blue Cross. Okay, so Hillside Animal Sanctuary. Hillside Animal. All right, as you can see, look, so this keyword is something that I picked up from here, Hillside Animal Sanctuary, and that's something that you don't find. So that's what that's what I was talking about. And what this course, now I'm coming back to what this course is about. Gordon, what he does is he basically goes over, let me just put it so basically what Gordon does, he goes over many different, 2 or 3 techniques to uncover the hidden interests that are all targetable. The first, if I remember, the very first method is something not that the technical, but the second one is technical, but still you're going to be able to extract a lot of keywords that Facebook is never going to give you, hidden interests, thousands and thousands of them, just based on one of few keywords of yours. But yeah, then what he does, he goes, and again, what it means to find hidden keywords that are targetable is that whenever you're going to have those keywords and you're going to target them, that means that you're going to have less competition. And you're going to have a lower cost, because less competition, meaning that there is a lot of outbidding, and then the cost is going to be extremely low. And if the cost is extremely low for, let's say, $5, you're gonna reach way more people than if you go for what the average person is targeting when it comes to the interests, for example, for cats food or whatever you're targeting. So, and the higher reach could mean higher odds of, of conversions. So and then what he does, he goes over special bonuses. And again, I just don't want to go into the course, just out of respect to the course creator. So he explains Facebook ads for beginners, and then he goes about the 5 key components of a successful ad campaign, and then how to create Facebook ads that sell. Look, so as you know me, I'm most often than not negative on courses, but this one, for the price of $34 or $36, it's well worth it. I mean, you're not, I mean, that's something that you pay just, outside for dinner or something like that. So I would highly recommend that you get this course and, try whatever he has to say. Whether, again, keep testing with those keywords and tell me, and you share with us how it works for you. But still, for $34 and having all of this, it's well worth it. Yeah, so I would give you a thumbs up if you want to buy this course. Again, I'm no affiliate of this course. I don't know this guy whatsoever. I'm just here giving you my objective opinion about the course. I did enjoy it for the price. But again, if you had to tell me 500 or 400, I would say don't take it. But for $34, go ahead and just buy it. I would recommend it. So guys, I hope you found this review helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Connect with me on Instagram, read daily, and leave a thumbs up. Until then, see you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.